Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing my spring Fabfitfun box, and we're going to see is this still even worth it. So you guys want to know what I get in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep watching. Alright guys, I already know you guys are going to be asking me, what am I wearing on my eyes? I just got done filming my entire review of the Chaos Makeup Pastel Loose Pigments. The review will be coming out in the very next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned to that, where I give you guys my entire thoughts on this whole collection. Was it worth it? And I show you guys how I got this eye look, so just stay tuned to that. But anyways, we are here to talk about the new Spring Fabfitfun box, and I forgot that a while ago I bought the whole year's worth, so I don't know when this bad boy runs out. I think winter or fall is my last one getting, and honestly I don't know if I'm gonna keep up with this anymore. I'm just getting kind of like burnt out on it, I guess. Not that like doing the videos are fun for me, but I'm just getting kind of like burnt out on like the products because I'm generally just not using them like ever, and I usually put them on my No Waste Wednesdays. So I think this would be the last year that I do get this. But anyway, if you guys are new here and you guys who don't know what Fabfitfun is, this is a quarterly subscription box. You can get a mix of makeup, skincare, accessories, life and home products in here. It just really all depends. It's about like, I think it's like $180 a year to buy all 4 boxes, but you guys can buy these quarterly as well. They usually do retail for $49.99, but there's so many different codes out there that you guys can use, which will take $10 off your very first box, making it $39.99. I originally had a code the first video I ever did for them, and then they actually like never activated it, so that was super embarrassing. But since I am a yearly member, I do get top picks, I get first picks, and I do appreciate that, and I get like a couple of days to mix and match or change my thoughts before they ship my box out. Like, they do tend to ship my box out first before they ship it out to anyone who just buys the quarterly box. So with that said, we're gonna go ahead and dive straight on into this box. It's kind of small. Hopefully there's some good stuff in here. I don't remember what I picked. They usually have us pick our items almost like, I feel like a month out, and then they end up shipping them. So I always forget what are my options and what I picked for myself. Okay, so as always, they do put in some products in here. So they have like a $15 off for your first Fabfitfun coupon thing. They have some stickers, and they have a book in here. Now their book used to tell you what the products you were getting, but they completely got rid of that for some reason. And now they have it just where you can like scan the little thing right here to figure out what's in your box and what it's valued for. I really do wish that they would have just kept it the way that it was, but for some reason they changed it, and I find this to be just a little bit wasteful because I personally never look at this magazine. I always end up, tossing it aside or recycling it, so I just feel like it's a little bit of a waste. All right, so the first thing I see is this set of clips right here. Now, the way that Fabfitfun used to do it is they used to have it where you get to pick like 2 or 3 items, and then they would pick a couple items for you, and then it just be an assortment that everybody will get. Now it's fully customizable. You get to pick every single item that goes into this box. You get to pick out different categories, but I kind of miss me picking out like 2 or 3 items and then them putting other items in here, because then it was always a surprise. But I actually do appreciate the fact that we get to fully customize it. So the first thing I picked for myself is a set of hair clips right here. These actually retail for $33. A little expensive for hair clips, not gonna lie. But I bought these because I generally put my hair up all the time. I'm always wearing hair clips whenever I'm washing my face, I'm around the house, when I'm reading, when I'm cooking. And the ones that I bought originally are the ones I got from Amazon that Jaclyn Hill talked about like a 1.5 to 2 years ago. And those are already almost all broken. They break so easily. They're so annoying. So of course I'm gonna grab myself 2 clips. So I was able to pick these up for myself. So those retail for $33. I also picked out a traveling jewelry case. Did I really pick that out? No way. Did I pick this out for myself? I guess I did. Okay, so I picked this out for myself. I don't remember picking this one out. This retails for $60, and this is a Millie jewelry case, and it's like a travel one. I didn't realize I picked this out for myself. So let's see how this looks. First off, the little design, super cute. I really do like the design on this. And then you open it up. Oh, I guess that could be cute. So there's this, and I think should there be like another spot? I think this, Okay, so like I feel like this is where you can like store like your bigger earrings, like what I'm wearing in my ear right now, and you push that up, and then you're gonna have like spots for like your necklaces and your rings. Okay, that's actually really cute. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's a little overpriced for what it is. Typically, I just put my jewelry in like a makeup travel bag, and I just go from there. That's what I did when I went to LA. Just used like a small little makeup travel bag and just threw my jewelry in there. Granted, my necklaces did get tangled, so I did untangle them. So this probably would have been a little bit more beneficial. It's cute, petite, and tiny, and could probably fit into anyone's like travel bag. So that would have actually been nice to have. Damn it, Fabfitfun. Where were you a week ago? Okay, so next there is this Kate Somerville. This is intensive exfoliating treatment. I know I picked this one out for myself because this retails for $98. Now, I actually have been using this because I've received this in a BoxyCharm or Ipsy, and I actually really do enjoy exfoliating with this. You can either put this on as an exfoliator, rinse it off, or you can do what I do. You leave it on for 2 minutes, and it really helps to exfoliate and remove any dead skin cells from your face. It helps to unclog pores, and I just think it's a really great product. I have it sitting in my bathroom. I actually have a backup in my makeup collection as well. This is something that I generally would go buy again for myself. It is $98, super expensive, but I actually do enjoy this product a lot. So I'm kind of glad they threw this in this box because then it like allows me to like stock up. So I like that. All right, next there is it's a 10. This looks super dirty, by the way. It's a 10. This is a Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. This retails for $22. I think I picked this one out for myself because I think there really wasn't that many options left to choose from in that category that I knew I personally wanted. I didn't want like any serums or eye creams or moisturizer, so I figured I'd just go for like a hair care product. And I used to use It's a 10 way back in the day. I don't know why I ever stopped. I just think I moved on to other products. But bitch, this does smell so good. Oh, that smells so good. It smells so divine. So we'll have to try this out. I know keratin's really, really good for the hair, especially for my hair since my hair is dyed. I want to make sure that this is a good product to use. So that's nice. All right, next there is something from, this is from Claudel. This is a moisturizing mattifying fluid. This is an oil control moisturizer. It retails for $35. Obviously, you guys know I wanted to pick this out because it is an oil control moisturizer. So it's applied morning and evening to face, either by itself or after your serum. Avoid eye contour. So this is something I'm definitely want to try out. I hope it really works for my skin. I've heard nothing but amazing things about this brand. Like everybody talked about this one like face mask that this brand offers that like you put on your face and it literally pulls gunk out of your pores. So I want to try that mask. I just keep forgetting to get it whenever I do go to Sephora, and when I do go look on Sephora, when I do remember, it's usually like not in stock. So I'm gonna have to try this out at some point. I'm gonna have to try that mask out at some point, but I'm glad I got this because I'm all about trying anything that I can do to help control the oil, especially since we are going into like the season. Last but not least, because they really don't put that many options in here anymore, I got this Morgan Lane Allie robe. It's a white flora. Retails for $198. The fuck? I would never spend $198 on a robe, but the reason why I got it is because it literally says Morgan Lane Allie. It has my name. Why would I not get something that has my name on it? And it's literally spelled the exact same way, A-L-L-I-E. I'm like, bitch, I have to get it. So this retails for $198. Really, really overpriced in my personal opinion. I don't really use robes that often except for whenever I get out of the shower. It doesn't even have Allie on here though. What? No, but it is. Look, look, look. It says right there. See, Allie. It's like they knew. They knew this is for me. So this is a silk robe. It's, you know, it's not my style. Like it's definitely like not my style. Not one that I'd be like really obsessed with having. It's pretty, don't get me wrong, but it's definitely like not my style. But it's a silk robe. I'm not really the biggest fan of. It's super comfy. I just don't know really when I'd wear this, honestly. It's $198, which is kind of expensive for a silk robe, but I mean, like, I will take it. Looking at my box right here, it says my box value is $446, which is a really steep value for sure. I could definitely get a use out of these items. I could definitely get a use out of these items. I like that I do get to customize, but it just was fun having them kind of like customize it for me back in the day. But I definitely don't hate the box at all. I can definitely, I think, get more use out of these items than I can like other items in previous boxes. So I don't think I'm gonna renew it though. I still think I'm gonna cancel, but these are still fun. Hopefully I can get a use out of this robe. But yeah, guys, that is my unboxing today of my spring Fabfitfun. If you guys got your box or you guys got the box at all, let me know what you guys got below. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's Art for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, just thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Alright guys, so so I know one of the questions I'm going to, you can get different mixes of makeup and life and care. You can get a mix of makeup and you do tend to shut my box out before they do just people who sign up originally. They do tend to send my